The Vatican is celebrating 60 years of an initiative aimed at promoting Christian unity. On this day in 1960, Pope St. John XXIII founded the Vatican Department to work with different faiths around the world. It marked the Vatican's first official step in the ecumenical movement. Cardinal Kurt Koch, president of the Pontifical Council for Promoting Christian Unity, joins us now from Rome. Your Eminence, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Good evening.
So why did St. Pope John XXIII begin your foundation?
Because 2 years before the beginning of the Second Vatican Council, he founded this Secretariat of Promotion Christian Unity because he wanted that his main concerns will be present on the Second Vatican Council. This was the renewal of the Catholic Church and to establishment the Christian unity. In this sense, he wanted that these main concerns will be present at the Vatican Council because this council wanted to refine the unity between the Christians.
Can you tell us about some of the work and the outreach it's done in the past 60 years?
First of all, we have different dialogues. We have two sections in our Pontifical Council, Section East and Section West. In the Section East, we have dialogues with the Oriental Orthodox churches as the Copts, the Syrian, Armenians, and with all the Orthodox churches. And in the Section West, we have about 12 different dialogues with all the churches and ecclesial communities. They come from the Reformation. And the duty of our Pontifical Council is to overcome all the obstacles that were present in the past, in the history, and has provoked divisions, and with different dialogues to refine the unity. We distinguish between the dialogue of love and the dialogue of truth. Dialogue of love will say fraternal friendship relations between the different churches, and dialogue of truth is to refine the unity in the ecclesial and theological questions.
Do you have any advice on how the faithful can help to bridge divides in their own communities?
There are different ways. We have this dialogue of love to refine a better communication, a better relationship between the different churches. We have many divisions of cultural level. For instance, the division between East and West was provoked by many different cultural differences, and to overcome these differences, these tensions, is very important. Then we have the dialogue of life in the all days life of the different churches and the different Christians. They have good contact with one another. And the most important thing is the spiritual ecumenism, the prayer of all people and all faithful for the Christian unity.
Your Eminence, thank you so much for your time today. Cardinal Kurt Koch, president of the Pontifical Council for Promoting Christian Unity. Thank you again.
Thank you, and all the best for you.